Hi, welcome to the 3D Pen Den. In the previous episode of the Sphere series, we filled our balls with infill. Today, we will extend from our balls outward, because with 3D Pen, we can. So let's get to it, and subscribe if you want to stay in the loop. These are so much fun to make. They remind me of the Spirograph designs, except these are 3D, and they can start with any shape, not just a sphere. But since this is a sphere series, let's start with a ball again. We will need our basic circles again. If you didn't see this process yet, go back to Decorating Spheres 2 or even further back in the Sphere series to How to Make Sphere Part 1. The link is above and in the description. Now that we have enough circles for the two hemispheres, let's plan the height of our spacers. Looks like the curve is just right. If we were making just a ball, we could start assembling right now. But while it's still all in pieces, let's add some extension to our circles. As you noticed, I made my circles with the circle segment of a 3D made mat. And the beauty of it is there are 5 other segments in this mat that are all compatible with each other. So we can crossbreed them a little bit. Let's keep it super simple for the first try and do a circle within a square. So let's do a bit more planning. Now we could join it just like that and make a cube. Or we can plan a little bit of a twist. So let's assemble it now, using the spacers we selected earlier to keep the inside ball round. Make sure you snap each square back into the mat, because that will help you keep it more stable during the joining process. have a hemisphere. It is a bit fragile and bouncy, so I'm going to make it stronger by also joining the square in the middle of each side. Sometimes it's more accessible to work from the side, so grab a basket or a shoebox and make yourself comfortable. So here we go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. This can get as complex as you like and works for many shapes, not just balls, obviously. We are getting close to talking about balls within stars, within bigger balls, within whatever you wish. Now we just need to look into how to work bigger and bigger. So subscribe and stay tuned.